Hi folks, and a very warm welcome to my channel. I've just arrived here in Ayr, Craig Tara, and I've hired a lodge. Let's go and have a look at the lodge. So folks, the lodge I've just hired is the one in front of us here. Just entering the lodge. Let's have a look inside. So it has a twin bedroom and a master bedroom. So let's have a look at the master bedroom. Plenty of room here. And it's got an ensuite as well. So that's the ensuite. You've got your toilet area, your sink, and you've also got a shower. Okay, let's have a look at the twin room. So this is the twin room. And you've got some wardrobe space here as well. And you've got a TV as well. So let's go into the kitchen area. You've also got a bathroom here as well, which has a bath. How good is that? And it's got a shower there as well, if you prefer a shower. And we'll head into the kitchen area now. Plenty of room for everyone to sit around the table there. And this is the kitchen area. So you've got plenty of utilities here. You've got a wash machine, and this is a dishwasher. Microwave, oven, and you've got an air fryer there as well in the corner. Lovely sitting area, very spacious. Lots of room there. TV. And the outside space. Lots of space out here. Great seating area. How about that, folks? Beautiful. And the best part, this lodge sits right at the very front of the site. So you've got a beautiful area right in front of you, the beach, plenty of space, grass area. Yeah, what more can you ask for here? Absolutely tremendous. So guys, this lodge is available for rental, and if you would like to stay here, I'll drop the link in the description. Just outside Millie's Cookies and Splashway Bay Water Park. So let's have a wee look inside. Bags of Air restaurant. This is the menu in the restaurant. So you've got the burger bar from the grill. They do breakfasts, curries, Sunday roasts, classics, pasta and salads. Inside the restaurant. And if it's a lovely day like today and you don't want to sit inside, you've got the outside part of the restaurant. Good views onto the caravan site. Just goes to show you how close these lodges are to the beachfront. What a view! So it looks like you can walk right round that big hill there. See some people are way out in the distance there. So if you want a wee bit of exploring, you can go right round that big hill there. So we're going to sit here and enjoy our wine and watch the sun going down. Just walking along the beachfront here. Lovely feeling on your feet. Sand is so soft, and look at the views, folks. Who wouldn't want to come here? Get yourself on the description and look at the links for the lovely lodge to book your stay here. This is like a hidden secret in Craigtara that a lot of people probably don't know about. When you come round this corner here, look at the views. Wow, quite amazing. This is Scotland, folks. This isn't Tenerife, this is Scotland. Look at that. Wow. What a view. What a beautiful bit. We found a wee grassy verge here. Beautiful. Just walk round the corner from the beach. No one around here. What a great spot. Got the whole place to yourself. Amazing. Not a cloud in the sky today here in Ayr, Craigtara. So that big mound, folks, we've decided to adventure and see what's up there. We're barefooted and there's quite a few jagged nettles. Stood in a few already, but hey ho, we'll see what's up the top. Only for you guys.
Lightweight.
That's why we're doing it. See you up the top. Oh, we're just wondering why we're doing this. It's very jaggy. We're in the jungle here.
I'm good. I'm good.
This is crazy. Why are we doing this?
No, you're... no.
We're stung to death. We've been barefoot, clinging onto roots and really steep hill. A few times just about tumbled down the hill. Quite dangerous.
Click.
Why are we putting ourselves through this? We don't know.
You're not gonna.
We've made it to the top. We're definitely not going back down there. It was treacherous, it was hazardous. We just about killed ourselves. There's a barbed wire fence, but Susan's determined to get through it. That was treacherous. That was really bad. A few times we thought about going back. Our shoes are still on the beach.
But we're adventurous. We want to kind of get through it, I think.
Suzanne kept saying, no, we're going to the top.
Going to the top here. We're actually trenching.
So now we're in a field with poo nails, and we're trying to dodge them now. So this is the view up the top.
We need champagne.
Not quite sure it was worth it.
It was worth it.
Well, it looks okay so far. I don't see any bulls, just loads of sheep. So we could be safe. Keep watching though, because a bull might appear at any point. Because it certainly seems like a few bulls SHIT around. But it'd be nice just to get back and get my trainers. They were good trainers, I like these trainers. Hopefully the tides no came in and washed them away. It's lambing season in Scotland. Loving seeing all these wee lambs here. Wow. Springtime in Scotland. Whoa. Look at these lovely wee lambs. Ah, how lovely do you two look? Yeah, you look like your mother. Yeah, you're thirsty, aren't you? Could go a drink your milk myself.
That's very
but,
random. I could do with a drink of champagne myself.
But I'm going to go home for a beer. Nice meeting you. See ya. So Craig Tara, yep. Guys, you need to come here. It's amazing. You might not want to climb up the hill we climbed up, but if you're adventurous, you might want to try it. So folks, we've no idea where we are. Can't see a caravan in sight. We've no idea where we've ended up. We've came off that hill and it's a kind of stony path here. I think I actually preferred standing in the sheep SHIT than all these hard stones. It's a bit jaggy on the old bare feet. Why we came up here, why we decided to climb a hill bare feet.
Why we decided to climb a hill, but at the same time with no shoes on. It just, who does that?
Who does that? Yep, exactly. But yeah, being a bit adventurous, thought we'd give it a go, and we're cut to bits.
Yeah.
And we're on a path, we don't know where we are. Don't know where we are, and I don't think we'll get an Uber here.
But who cares?
But we'll keep walking, we'll get home eventually. Hopefully, as I say, my trainers will still be on the beach. They were good trainers, and they're the only shoes I've got with me, so it might be it might be a problem if the tides came in. Just walking down the Heads of Ayr farm. Hopefully we can get to the beach this way, or hopefully trying to take a bit of a shortcut. But I've just spotted these two guys. Look at these two guys. Wow. A couple of Highland cows. Not sure I'll cross that field. So folks, just to give you an idea, that's the hill we just came up. I think we went up the steepest part, through the brambles, the bushes, the sticky nettles. What we got up there, and we've just kind of circled round here, and this is where we are now. Hopefully we can get an opening that will take us onto the beach so we can collect our items.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Hiya, beautiful. Hello, beautiful.
So folks, we've had to abandon going through the farm. Unfortunately, one of the fields, there was a couple of donkeys and a couple of donkeys on heat. So as soon as we went over that fence, the donkeys were getting a bit friendly, so we had to jump back over the fence, and now we're back on the road again. So we've had a few funny looks from some of the other people staying in the caravans, wondering why we're walking down a main road here in bare feet. But little do they know the adventure we've been on. You guys know.
You have no idea.
You guys know.
3 hours later.
We're back at the caravan site, but we still need to try and find our trainers somewhere on the beach. Hi folks, I've made it back to where I started, where me and Suzanne started. Got my shoes, got my trainers. That's the hill we've just climbed up, like a vertical climb. I think we must have climbed up the most vertical part of that hill. It wasn't easy, and but we've made it. We've walked barefoot. We've had many funny looks walking back here from fellow tourists, but hey, what an adventure. It's not what we set out to do. We were going to go back to the lodge and have some food and a few drinks and watch the sun going down, but being the adventurous person I am and what Susan is, we decided to give that hill a try. So what a great adventure. So if you've enjoyed watching, if you could give us a thumbs up, and if you could subscribe to the channel, thanks very much. Thank you. Bye.